Trading triggers emotions. Learn quick techniques to stay calm and make better decisions. Emotions distort risk. Recognize fear, greed, and overconfidence in real time. Start with a clear trading plan: entry, exit, stop loss, and position size. Use simple charts and checklists to remove guesswork before you trade. Breathing reset. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6, repeat twice. Pause after the exhale. Reassess your plan, not the noise. Scale position size to your comfort. Small sizes keep decisions objective. Set scheduled reviews, not constant monitoring. Trade with data, not emotions. Use visual cues, colored charts, and scribbled notes to remind your rules. If emotions spike, step away for 90 seconds and breathe to reset. Practice journaling winners and mistakes. Learn trends in your own behavior. Calm trading is repeatable. Plan, breathe, review. Trade with confidence.